giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me fear.
Hi guys. This my hair is so bushy, like seriously. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to a new week. So today is Monday, guys, and today is June 12th. It's a public holiday. My kids have been at home for the past 1 week. Like throughout last week was their midterm break, and they've been at home playing, eating, making noise. And today is still an extra public holiday for them. Like I said, it's June 12th. The day they said it's time for June 12th. So they say MK Abiola duty. Up now, I've also Abiola be. Shouldn't I be duty? Yes. I'm June 12th now. Be a hair. I've also Abiola. So if they never bore you that and you're watching this video, just don't say it be Indomie generation. I swear. So guys, who be that? Oh, I think I missed it. I want to spoil our door. Shoe. Oh God. So guys, mommy say,
I want to climb.
Say hi. What's your name? Celine. Hey, Oga. What is your name? Guys, this is Chidima. Chidima is our April Nana. Chidima, say hi now. Guys, are you to see her?
No.
She's cutting blender. Let me show you guys. Okay, can I show you? What she's doing? Is it she? So guys, we want to go and barb our hair. Our hair is looking so bushy. This one, they need to go to school. Look at a bushy hair. I mean, where is a bushy hair? Let me see.
that is not bushy like that.
It's so bushy. So guys, we are going to the salon now. So you can look neat. Look neat. I didn't go to work today because I have a couple of things to do. I need to edit some of my videos today. I'm like, stop, Joa. You're tickling me, stop. I have a lot of videos to edit today, guys. So I need to go and I'll be at home today, then edit my videos. Tomorrow I'll definitely get to work tomorrow to my office, and then this one's will go to school. So guys, on our way to the salon, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Peace. Have a wonderful week, guys. Bye. And just in case you're clicking on this video for the first time, my name is Blessed Chiamaka. Please, no first I don't tell my name for the beginning. See, I don't take myself, Zara. What's wrong with you? Huh? The face behind the channel is Blessing Chiamaka, aka Mama B on the streets of YouTube, guys. Please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, give this video a massive thumbs up if you're enjoying this vlog. Please do, and don't forget to turn your notification bell so you're going to be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a video on this channel. So I'm going to catch you later. Bye. Guys, we are here. So who is the first? Who will back first?
Me.
You back first?
Yes. Yes. So I'm move back third. Capsule back last.
You are the junior, so go and back first.
Me.
Zara first. You second.
Oh, you.
Me last.
you second.
That's our baba day. I think your day safe. I did. It's our confirmed baba, guys. So you're going to go back first now. Yeah, go now. Go, yeah?
Me first.
Names of animals, names of colors, names of colors that pink.
I'm the first.
Oh yeah, names of colors that
blue,
pink,
red,
white,
grey,
orange,
light blue,
colored.
colors.
Your school bus is here. Come and go and start doing. Good morning, guys. So welcome to another vlog. Sorry, welcome to the same vlog I'm talking about. So my kids are actually ready for school. Mommy, are you ready to see your school? Are you happy to go to school today?
Yes. No.
You just like playing now. No. So they're ready to go to school, guys, and Yeah, I want to do my NSPD very soon shortly. So you guys should take care.
A few moments later.
You give me 2,000. I'll give you this thing. 100 naira. Put this one now. No, you didn't pay for it. You should take it on. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another new day. So today is Thursday, the 15th or 16th of June. And guys, like play this year will soon finish. You just yesterday, everybody was celebrating New Year this, New Year that, and now we're almost half of the year gone. Like June is almost gone. But in all, shall we thank God for life? I'm really grateful for good health and all of that. So to God be the glory on that one. So I have some couple of things to do today. For the past few days now, I've been doing some shopping because I don't know if I've told you guys that I want to do some renovation here in my home. I want to do some renovation in my kitchen, my children's room, and that of my own bedroom. That's if I still have some money though. If the money she finishes, then I'll have to wait until I get another money, and then I'll do the one that's remaining again. So I think in the one of the vlog, I don't know if you guys saw. Okay, I think in this same vlog, I showed you guys some things I got. Right, not really all of them, but I'm going to carry you guys along much later. So on that renovation part, I will still show you guys what my kitchen looks like before the renovation we start to get. So, but today I want to go and get some milk. I need to produce yogurt tomorrow. My supplier told me that they've exhausted their yogurt in their fridge. So I need to produce some yogurt today, and then my staff will go and supply it tomorrow. Then after that, I need to go to a store where I can get some plastics for my renovation in my kitchen, where to store, like, plastic to store some things for my kitchen, get, and even my children's room, out of my bedroom. I need to get some plastics organization, yes. So thereafter, I'm going to head back to my office again. My son said he wants to eat banana muffin bread. So instead of, I feel like, okay, let me just, use that opportunity to create a content for my other YouTube cake channel, because it's been a very long time I did, like maybe like a month that I really uploaded a long video content on my other cake channel. I've been doing short, but let me use that opportunity to just create film the content, then film the banana muffin bread that he wants to eat, then I'll edit it and upload it. So guys, those are the things I have to do today. I will definitely carry you guys along on this vlog. I cannot really wait to renovate my kitchen. Like guys, I cannot really wait to start this renovation. People are saying that my kitchen is lovely, but for me, I feel like it's not. We women now, we're not really satisfied what people are saying until, especially in the kitchen area, until we do what we want to do. Don't know if you guys get me. So that's it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna talk to you later. Hi guys, good morning. So welcome, still on the same vlog, guys. So today is Friday, and let us say the 16th or 17th of June. And currently, right now, I want to go to Apapa right now. As you can see, I'm dressed. I'm putting on my branded t-shirt. Maybe I'll just show you guys what the t-shirt is all about, so you guys can see it. So I want to get a display fridge for my business. For those of you that do not know, here on my channel, I'm a baker. I'm a Nigerian-based baker based in Lagos, in Nigeria. Yes. So I sell cakes, I sell all kinds of baked products, pastries, donut, banana bread, parfait, just name it. You can check me on my Instagram page. I'm going to put it on the screen here, okay? So I'm looking forward to get a display fridge for my business where working customers can always, you know how display fridge is now. I used to attract customers, right? For those that do working. So I want to get it for my business, and I'm going to High Sense. I've always loved high sense product because these pharmacies and the supermarkets where I do supply, I noticed that this high sense display fridge or chiller used to like chill drinks a lot. So because of that, I want to get the product, and I'm going there right now, which is located at Apapa. So guys, I'm going to carry you all along, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have watched this video to this point and have not subscribed to my channel. Come on now, support your girl. Give this video a thumbs up, turn on notification bell so that I can only get notified whenever I upload the video on this channel. Okay, so guys, I'm going to carry you along, and let's move together. So it's been 12 years or 13 years I came to Papa last, and when I came to this place I felt kind of strange. The tankers are still blocking the way, the roads are still the same, there's no changes, and I felt some type of way. I felt so weird about the whole place. You see, because I know when I called, they're telling me one is 3 8, one is 3 so. This is just when I saw on the internet. Sha. But if I want to put my business name here on God, do you know how I can go about it?
Because this thing put, you can create something and cover this. But this displays like when
Okay,
it
to
is
display like
on.
when it's on.
Yes. So
Eh,
it means if you want to put your this thing, it's just
my
like
cakes.
a paper.
I'm
You
buying
just
for
put
cakes,
it.
so
Okay.
I sell cakes.
Cakes. Okay. So you just fix the.
Hi guys, so I just finished paying for my chiller right now, and in fact when the plan was for me to get um the one of 352,100 naira you get. But when I got here, I saw the one of 308,200, and the difference between these two prices is, the height and the size of the chiller, right? So in my head, I'm like, okay, let me know if or let me see if I can go with the taller one you get. Besides, I just felt like the price is kind of the price difference is kind of higher you get. So by the time you minus 352 minus 308, the difference is clear. At least the guy that bought me, I will have to use the money to pay him now. Do you guys get what I'm saying? So, and I'm also thinking that since I'm using it to display my yogurt, my dessert bowls, cake parfait, yogurt parfait, cake slices, not like I'm using it to display bigger cakes, because if I'm going to display bigger cakes, it means that I have to go for the noise. It means I have to go for the double door chiller, right? So because I know what I want to use it to do, I just feel like better for me to go with the one of 308,000 naira to get. And that one is taller. The space is not that small to me. You get, the space is not that small to me. You get, so yeah. So I'm waiting. I've made payment already, and I'm waiting for them to come and give me my receipt, and then they'll take it downstairs, right? So far, this is the receipt here. I got my receipt from them, and also this point here, they are trying to check the chiller if everything is complete inside, the racks and everything. They are trying to check. And guys, this particular display fridge is so tall. Can you see the height, guys? I'm so thankful. I cannot believe this thing, no. Are you sure, guy? Eh? Hey, they get big gifts, guys. Oh, see you. Are you serious? Hey, I cannot believe this. Wow. Thank you so much. Hi says gave me gifts, guys. Guys, Hi says gave me gifts. So come and buy food from them. Oh. Thank you so much. So here I was trying to make sure if a 14 inches cake board can actually enter, and I'm glad it did because I love it. I'm so thankful that I got this chiller, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful. At least I can now be able to display my products, my cake parfait, yogurt parfait. This display fridge is so tall, oh, like, and the thing about this thing is it's spacious for me. Yeah, the height is kind of much, but it's spacious and I love it. It can enter a lot of things for me. You get, my products can enter there, even cakes can actually enter, and it's 5 layers. Yes, so I'm so thankful, guys. To God be the glory. I got this one for my business. So the guys here and actually taking it to the car. I came here with a Sienna. A guy, actually one man like that, brought me here, and I paid him 25,000 naira for my location to Apapa. And yeah, guys, so that's it. To God be the glory. I'm so happy, guys. We are going in this business. Thank you, Jesus, for this particular chiller, and I pray that it's going to bring me massive sales for my business. That's the man there, Mr. Mawuf. He brought me from my location to Apapa. Yeah, guys. So at this point the guys were done, and I really appreciate them so much. Also I'm thankful for the gift as well. Yeah, so we're actually on our way back to my destination. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. It's very important you support me on this one. So I'm gonna look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. I'm sorry that the video is so long, but I hope you enjoyed it. Anyways, please turn your notification bell so that you will be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a video on this channel. So guys, please also follow me on Instagram at Chiamaka's Lifestyle, on Twitter, on Instagram, and TikTok, Chiamaka's Lifestyle. Okay, so this is my chiller here, guys. As you can see, my products, see the way I displayed my product here inside this chiller. That's a cake parfait, you got drink, dessert bowls, name it, guys. Please follow me on my business page at Macari's Cakes and Pastries. You get to see a lot of things that I sell. Yes, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to catch you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay fabulous. Bye, guys.